Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of air fryers, those magical kitchen appliances that seem to be popping up everywhere these days. And in this video, we'll be exploring what exactly an air fryer is, how it works, and why it's become a staple in many kitchens around the world. So let's jump right in. First off, what exactly is an air fryer? Well, think of it as a miniature convection oven that fits neatly on your countertop. It uses hot air circulation to cook food quickly and evenly, giving you that crispy texture you love with all the excess oil. Most air fryers come with adjustable temperature settings and a timer, allowing you to customize your cooking experience based on the type of food you're preparing. And speaking of food, the possibilities with an air fryer are practically endless. Classic favorites like French fries and chicken wings to healthier options like roasted vegetables and even desserts. You can cook just about anything in an air fryer. Plus, cleanup is a breeze since you're using minimal oil compared to traditional frying methods. Now you might be wondering, how exactly does an air fryer works? It's magic. Well, it's all thanks to a rapid air technology. The air fryer circulates hot air around the food at high speeds, creating a crispy outer layer while locking in moisture on the inside. Not only does this result in healthier, less greasy meals, but it also saves you time and energy in the kitchen. Waiting for the oven to preheat or dealing with messy frying oil. With an air fryer, you can have delicious meals on the table in a fraction of the time. So whether you're looking to indulge in your favorite comfort foods or whip up healthier alternatives, an air fryer is a versatile tool that deserves a spot in your kitchen. With its ability to cook food quickly and evenly and with less oil, it's no wonder why air fryers have become a must-have appliance for home cooks everywhere. Well, that's all for today's video. If you find this helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!